Did you realize that it's possible to enjoy tasty meals without letting carbs or sugar take a toll on your health? As we age, the foods we put on our plates become even more important. Carbohydrates and sugars can quickly turn into stubborn weight gain, mental fog, or blood sugar spikes that drain your energy and rob you of peace of mind. But here's the great news. There are incredible foods that not only avoid the pitfalls of sugar and carbs, but also strengthen your body, sharpen your mind, and leave you feeling satisfied after every meal. This video is designed to help you replace those hidden carbs with foods that truly work in your favor. Today, I'll walk you through the 7 best carb-free, sugar-free foods for older adults. If you've ever felt lost while shopping, confused by nutrition labels, or tired hearing conflicting advice, you're exactly where you need to be. Stick with me until the end, because you'll not only learn which foods give you steady energy and better health, but also discover simple tips to make your meals more enjoyable and your life brighter. Let's dive in. Number 1. Wild-caught salmon and other fatty fish. We'll begin with one of the most flavorful and health-boosting options out there, wild-caught salmon. Along with other fatty fish like sardines, mackerel, and trout, salmon contains no sugar and no carbs, but it's packed with healthy fats. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are celebrated for protecting the heart, reducing inflammation, and supporting the brain as you age. For seniors, this is a game changer. Omega-3s can lower heart disease risk, keep joints flexible, and may even slow memory decline. The best part? Wild salmon is both filling and easy to prepare. Simply bake, grill, or pan-sear with a little lemon or herbs. You don't need sauces or breading that sneak in carbs. Instead, you enjoy a protein-rich meal that prevents the sugar crashes that follow a heavy carb dinner. This is especially helpful for older adults aiming to maintain steady blood sugar and consistent energy. Beyond the physical benefits, switching to fish can also lift your mood. Many people who swap out processed meats or starchy meals for salmon report feeling calmer and more satisfied. Take Henry, age 78. He avoided fish for years, believing it was bland and complicated. But after his doctor suggested cutting back on pasta and bread, he gave salmon a chance. Not only did he enjoy the flavor, but his blood pressure improved, his waistline shrank, and he felt more alert during his morning walks. For him, one small change triggered a series of improvements. If you want a no-carb, no-sugar food that boosts both heart and mind, wild-caught salmon and other fatty fish are unbeatable. They prove healthy eating can still be flavorful and fulfilling. Number 2, cage-free eggs. Next on the list is a humble egg, especially from cage-free or pasture-raised hens. Eggs contain 0 sugar, no carbs, and are full of high-quality protein that supports healing, muscle maintenance, and everyday strength. Each egg also carries nutrients like vitamin B12, choline, and selenium, all crucial for sharp memory and strong immunity. Eggs are versatile and satisfying. Scramble them, boil them, bake them, or whip up an omelet with your favorite vegetables. With no carbs or sugar to worry about, eggs deliver steady energy without spikes or crashes, making them ideal for managing diabetes or weight. Though eggs were once feared for cholesterol, modern research shows they actually raise good HDL cholesterol and don't harm heart health when eaten as part of a balanced diet. In fact, they may even support heart function. There's also an emotional benefit. Preparing eggs can be a daily ritual, bringing comfort and a sense of control. Betty, age 84, starts every morning with 2 boiled eggs and black coffee. For her, it's more than nutrition. It sets the tone for gardening, neighborhood walks, and enjoying time with her grandkids. Affordable, quick, and nutrient-dense, cage-free eggs are a smart staple for any senior's diet. Number 3, leafy greens, spinach, Swiss chard, and more. Leafy greens like spinach and Swiss chard are true treasures for anyone cutting carbs and sugar. They're extremely low in carbohydrates, contain no sugar, and are brimming with nutrients such as vitamins A, C, K, magnesium, potassium, iron, and fiber. For older adults, greens act as a shield against many age-related issues. Their antioxidants fight inflammation, vitamin K strengthens bones and circulation, and minerals help balance blood pressure. Despite being light, they even provide some plant-based protein. Best of all, they brighten your meals, Toss them in salads, saute with garlic and olive oil, blend into smoothies, or stir into soups. Their versatility makes them easy to eat daily. Eating greens can also uplift your mood. Many seniors say they feel more energetic and lighter after adding greens regularly. Elliot, 81, had high blood pressure for years. Once he started adding spinach to his breakfast omelets, not only did his readings improve, but he also felt more alert in the mornings. Leafy greens prove healthy eating can be colorful, fresh, and satisfying. Number 4, avocados. Avocados break the rule most fruits follow. They contain nearly zero sugar and very few carbs. Instead, they're loaded with healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. For seniors, avocados are powerful allies. Their monounsaturated fats improve cholesterol and help your body absorb nutrients from other vegetables. Fiber supports digestion and keeps blood sugar stable, while the healthy fats deliver long-lasting energy. Avocados also bring joy to meals. Whether spread on eggs, diced into salads, or eaten plain with salt and pepper, they add a creamy richness without guilt. Choosing an avocado over bread or sweets can also be empowering. A reminder that you're putting your health first. Linda, 72, feared she'd feel unsatisfied without bread and pasta. But after making avocados part of her lunches, she felt fuller, happier, and less likely to snack on empty calories. Avocados prove you don't have to give up flavor to give up sugar. Number 5, plain Greek yogurt. Plain Greek yogurt, without added sugar or fruit syrups, is a nutritional powerhouse. High in protein, it helps preserve muscle and bone strength. It also contains probiotics, which improve digestion, immunity, and even mood. When sugar-free, Greek yogurt is very low in carbs. Its protein keeps you full longer and prevents blood sugar swings. Seniors can enjoy it plain or enhance it with nuts, cinnamon, or a few berries, if approved by your doctor. Its creamy texture is comforting, making it an easy substitute for unhealthy snacks. Plus, gut health strongly affects brain health. Many seniors report improved focus and mood when they eat probiotic-rich foods. Franklin, 80, started eating plain Greek yogurt with walnuts instead of cookies after his wife passed. His sugar cravings faded, and his energy returned. It became a daily ritual of comfort and control. One bowl at a time, Greek yogurt supports health inside and out. Number 6, nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, pecans, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds are fantastic low-carb, no-sugar options. Rich in healthy fats, protein, fiber, and minerals, they support brain and heart health while keeping you full. Because they digest slowly, nuts and seeds prevent blood sugar spikes and crashes. Eating a handful daily can improve cholesterol, reduce heart disease risk, and even lower chances of memory decline. They're portable, versatile, and satisfying, perfect as a crunchy, guilt-free alternative to chips or cookies. Kingsley, 85, enjoys a small bowl of mixed nuts with his newspaper every afternoon. For him, it's a blend of nutrition and pleasure, a simple routine that keeps him thriving. Choosing nuts and seeds is a small but powerful investment in long-term health. Number 7, extra virgin olive oil. Finally, extra virgin olive oil tops the list. Completely carb-free and sugar-free, this golden oil has been celebrated for centuries. Its monounsaturated fats lower bad cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and protect blood vessels. Antioxidants defend against cellular damage, supporting heart, brain, and joint health. Olive oil is easy to use. Drizzle on salads, saute vegetables, or splash over tomatoes with herbs. Its rich flavor enhances food naturally, reducing the need for processed sauces filled with hidden sugars. Elizabeth, 76, switched from butter to olive oil. Soon her cholesterol improved, her joints felt better, and her skin glowed. Cooking became more enjoyable, filled with fresh flavors. Olive oil proves that small, simple swaps can be deeply nourishing. To wrap things up, these 7 foods show that healthy eating doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. Every meal is a chance to fuel your body, steady your energy, and reclaim joy from food. From wild salmon to leafy greens, from avocados to olive oil, each choice is a step toward longer, more vibrant living. Even started with one swap, like nuts instead of bread or Greek yogurt instead of ice cream, makes a big difference. Remember, each bite is an act of self-respect and care. You hold the power to shape your health, one meal at a time. So here's to your strength, your wisdom, and your resilience. Thank you for spending this time with us today. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below and share one thing you learned and how you apply in your life. Your comments inspire us to keep going. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Elderly Health Tips and share. Your support makes it possible for us to continue creating content that informs and uplifts. We appreciate you watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.